Okay, finally it's done. This is a 2022 Polaris Scramble 850. I try find a power steering system for this machine and nobody list. Then I start make my research and I find out this machine, the Scramble and the Sportman, share the same chassis, and the steering post is the same. And then by the end I bought a kit for Sportman 850 and that fits perfect, right on the money. No need to make modification, nothing, everything is bolt on. Here is the computer from the power steering, and there is the motor. Everything fits perfect, no Mickey Mouse, no nothing. You see it? Perfect. The only modification I made was this kit come with a LED light right here for diagnostic. Then I increased the size of the wire and I put right here on the dash. This way I can pay attention all the time if any problem comes up. And everything works perfect. So who have a Scramble 850? I don't know about another years, but this one is 2002. The power steering for a Sportman 850, 850 XP, 1000, every single Sportman this year fits perfect. So I hope I help somebody.